Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to restore access to your Ahrefs account. Losing access can be stressful, but following these steps will help you get back in quickly and securely. Step 1. Go to the Ahrefs login page and enter your registered email address and password. Double-check for typos and make sure your caps lock key isn't on. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Ahrefs will send a password reset email to your registered email address. Follow the instructions to create a new password. Step 3. Check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the password reset email in your inbox. Sometimes automated emails can end up there. Step 4. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, open your Authenticator app and enter the 6-digit code. If you don't have access to your device, use one of your backup codes. Step 5. If you're still unable to log in, clear your browser cache and cookies, or try logging in from a different browser or device. This can resolve many technical issues. Step 6. Contact Ahrefs support if all else fails. Provide details about your account and the issues you're experiencing so their team can assist you in regaining access safely. Following these steps should help you restore access to your Ahrefs account without any hassle. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.